All right, and we are live. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Radical Measures episode 2. Yeah, we made it, buddy. My God.
Episode 2. We're
Episode-
back.
episode
The return,
2.
the revival.
Oh my God. we are using adjectives, okay, in the first
You
minute.
need a tagline now.
You need a tagline, yeah. Log line to
Yeah,
everything.
everything, yeah,
Sell everything, dude. Yeah. Welcome to episode 2, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, what do we begin? By the way, as I'd mentioned in episode 1, Noel, it's done. I'm vaccinated.
Good. Oh, one sec. Gaurav Pawar, Noel Kodero, behind the cameras are...
Pawan Shanava and Amaya Mahale, Riptide Films. Good, you remembered the shout-outs.
Yes.
Nice. This is basically us going ahead and preparing for getting sponsors. Okay? You see,
The beginning.
the beginning. We are putting in the work already. So, yes, as far as this thing is concerned, in the first episode I had mentioned I'm getting vaccinated and it's done.
Yeah. Good.
It's sorted. So, I'm vaccinated. Pawan is vaccinated. Amaya is vaccinated. You took a shortcut.
Yeah.
Yeah? You got COVID.
COVID.
Yeah.
It's done.
Perfect. It's done. I got it. I got the antibodies. Yeah.
My dealing was directly with the virus.
Yeah.
I didn't go to Pfizer or AstraZeneca. Like virus only.
No middleman. I
No
don't.
middleman. That bureaucratic shit I don't do.
But it did feel nice, man. You know, we got vaccinated, and there was a bit of a pain and whatnot. One day wooziness, bit of feverishness and whatnot. Just one day though. I took what the doctor had prescribed, a pill, paracetamol pill, and sorted. Drugs sorted it out. You know?
Yeah, I got the same things with COVID, and I got a 5 kg weight loss,
Oh my God.
which I've gained by now.
So you got the deal and you wasted
it also.
Yeah, this is basically like you won the weight loss in lottery.
yeah, I got a cashback.
Yeah. And that's why you spent it also.
Yeah.
But it's fine. It's okay. It's all right.
वो तो
There are-
जिंदगी है वेट गवाने के लिए पूरा जिंदगी.
That's what you've been telling for a long time. Huh? Both of us. Okay. Why am I only pointing at you?
Dude, there is too much good shit.
There's too much good shit. You can't help it, dude. But the thing is that, after the vaccine, we got a Parle G packet and chai. And I romanticized getting a vaccine so much that that romanticism overflew to the chai and Parle G as if, this is something right. This
Because it
makes
took you
sense.
back, no?
Yeah.
To your childhood.
It makes
It's like,
sense.
Everything is nice now.
Yeah.
We are going back to normal.
Yeah, exactly.
We are going back to 2009.
That's how your brain works, man. It tricks it tricks you. Okay?
That's why Parle G closing was so scary for everyone. It's like
no.
we
Save
can't go back.
Save it. I think that's one brand which like loyal customers would
Yeah.
keep on saving.
Dude,
But
they
hey,
still
tell
have
me.
that kid. Like so much they have not changed. They are
Yeah.
like stuck in time.
No, but it's nice because it works. It's like a time capsule, that's what Parle G is. But anyway, we got that, and they had a proper place. After you got vaccine, you sit for like half an hour properly and whatnot, and see if there are any. And they had an ambulance on standby, so everything was nice, good. We still had people wearing full sleeves.
Yes.
that did happen.
These people should have been led to a different room.
Yeah.
Where they get cut.
Yeah.
Cut. You are not prepared.
Damn, dude, we'll need to keep a room for that.
No, they are outside on the ground.
Oh my God,
There's
no,
too many.
No, then people won't come for vaccination. You can't do that. But anyway,
Yeah. 2 minutes and I'm already signing death warrants.
yeah, let's not. Let's keep it for the 1 hour mark. Okay, let death come then. Let's
List of people I would like to kill.
let's be human beings then. About then.
That is the act that makes us human.
So anyway, as far as this whole the table is going to do that. It's
Yeah.
not an earthquake. Do not worry. We'll be fine. We'll be safe. Okay. It's just excited.
Yeah.
The furniture is happy that this is happening.
Second episode.
Yeah. But
Don't worry, we are
vaccination.
replacing you soon.
Yes, we are. And just do this, you know. We are replacing you.
You are leaving soon. Anyway,
Yeah.
vaccine.
I got it, and I was pretty happy, dude, about the fact that I got the vaccine. And let me tell you, I ended up sharing that with a couple of friends who are abroad. And a couple of friends who are abroad let me know that you don't have it as good as you think you do. No, because they told me they went to get vaccinated and they got a joint.
That's so cool. That is so cool.
But let me get this straight. Like, do you understand in the US, things are very different. That's where
awesome different.
wealth comes in.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm telling you, it's such a crazy thing, man. I mean, as far as vaccination is concerned in the US, you know, they, you know, now how there was this thing in the news that Biden was being told, okay, you have a lot of vaccines, you know, kept aside because you'll be needing them and whatnot, but you're just sitting on them. So share it with us because, you know, India is having a lot of problems.
1 sec, I didn't get the Biden's.
When the second wave had happened, we needed vaccinations, right? I mean, India was facing a short supply.
Shortage, yeah.
And United States had surplus when you compare to their vaccination numbers, which is fair enough because that's what you do with vaccinations.
Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure they had a
Yeah.
McDonald's style vaccination also.
Yeah, they had that. They had all of that. But the Biden administration was requested by Apna government and a lot of different mediating channels, diplomatic channels, that see the surplus that you have, you know, please send it to India because we need it now. This is like a maybe scenario for you guys. It is it is
happening. It's happening.
It is happening. It's
Plans are done. We are in Goa.
Yeah. Basically, we were telling them, use it. No, come on, use it. You know, why are you like?
क्यों
use
जला
it.
रहा है?
Use it.
It's like that. America is that kid who has that chocolate. Like मेरे पास है, and it's melting in front of you, and you want that chocolate.
क्यों मतलब? So they did share it. I mean, they did send stuff across and whatnot. But then
There's enough Indians there to be like भेजना.
no, they did. They actually did that. So because you have to take into consideration trade and commerce also, like people on both sides in the Senate as well as over here, you know, you use all sorts of leverage and you make shit happen. That's what people in diplomacy have to deal with. You know, odds are always against you. You have to somehow make it happen. That's it. That's your job. I think that's why they just age horribly and whatnot. You know, it's not. But
Like every day. Oh, another thing where I have to look behind my back. And be like, is he going to stab me?
Yeah, it's not. But they did come through to an extent, I believe, and they sent across a lot of aid and whatnot. And it's not all good.
Okay.
In the US also with vaccination. This is the good part.
Okay.
Now,
okay.
just because the country is wealthy does not mean it does not have its share of deniers, conspiracy theorists, so on and so forth. People have gone ahead and
वो prosperity के समुद्र में एक चूतिया नजर आया.
एक नहीं, अनेक और क्या क्या मतलब टाइप का चूतिया कहते क्या मतलब variety. There were some people who came ahead and said, like, you know, this body is God's gift and I'll not put anything foreign, anything alien in it and whatnot. Yeah.
मतलब vaccine नहीं लगा.
हाँ, मतलब like they're deniers. They have their own share of, you know. So they have to come up with. This is the problem with being a capitalist country. You end up thinking advertisement solves everything. Because they started advertising to get people vaccinated. Like, come, that was somebody who's close to dying. In the background, yes, the bike and all. But it's fine. See, you will be listening to this because we are in our house, as we had mentioned. So that is going to happen. But at least we do not have to be told, come, get vaccinated and you might get a gun.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
This is an amazing setup. So
come take your gun. you get vaccinated against COVID and human beings.
Yeah. Nothing will bother you.
Nothing will.
Not even
social
the
distancing.
Not even the human virus. It's literally that too. So in a couple of southern states, in order to encourage vaccination, what they ended up telling is they ended up coming with a lottery system. Like, you all come get vaccinated and then it will be like a lottery sort of thing, where you are going ahead and putting names and then 5-10 names, whatever will be picked up and randomly and selected and whatnot. And stuff.
And the winner for the shotgun is
yes,
with 100 ammo.
I'm telling you, dude, they have like categories like for shotgun, for pistols. Like they kept different sorts of guns, like as a prize, as a prize. And here, dude, people are having memes based on the Cowin app. That, oh, it's crashing. I'm trying to, but I can't get it.
Dude, I was thinking about this. Like, what is the thing that Indian government will give free? Like, one lucky winner gets a seat in IIT. Like, just dreams come true.
One from 10 million, but one.
One lucky winner gets a house with running water. साल भर का tanker water supply muft.
Water your plants as much as you want.
Yeah. Water the plants? Water that weird thing that's growing out of your wall?
Yeah. But I think that disparity, it just ended up like making me think, how somebody who's trying to or is essentially undergoing the same process of getting vaccinated, but how the two experiences play out so differently, parallelly but differently.
In here and US.
Yeah,
also.
I mean, and that's basically where you see wealth disparity come in, right? I mean, if you're a poor country, guess what, buddy? It's not going to be easy. You'll have to ask for handouts, probably ask for help from bigger organizations, United Nations or whatever. And then US is its own thing, where it's like guns and marijuana. Come on, come on.
Enjoy. Sale lagi.
Exactly. And it's because...
You think like Pfizer का and AstraZeneca का ऐसा stall दोनों side पे है and both the salesmen are haggling. मेरे पास पिस्टल है पिस्टल जीतो like shotgun जीतो like both are competing on what goodies they are giving people.
Probably.
Because you can't tell people कि mine is more effective or there's all that is data. Now end में it's benefits, it's goodies, it's points. That is all that it has come down to.
It's the one-upping each other sort of thing. Na? But it's basically because if you go to look at it again, because it's a capitalist country, okay, but it has money. That's also a symptom of it. They have so much of money, they have so much of excess that people are just not able to make the difference, between what is real and what isn't, and conspiracies and stuff like that. You know what I mean? And as far as wealth disparity is concerned, it's a crazy thing, man. I mean, wealth is such a funny thing, right? Like, at the moment, people are talking about dollars and whatnot, but like, if anything, this pandemic has clarified that money is, you should have money.
Yeah. People always say, na, ki, like, I don't need money. Do you want a house? Yes. Do you want clothes? Yes. You need money. Okay, shut up.
You can't go the exact, complete opposite extreme also. Yeah. Like, money is evil. Yes. Or rather, people are using it very weirdly. Like,
I mean, like, is it the money's fault that it was used to buy an endangered animal? No. Is it the money's fault that it was used to buy dangerous drugs or weapons or a companion for the night?
There's a choice behind it. There's a person choosing.
Yeah, you found a blood-stained note, right? from time to time. Do you ask whose blood it is? No. You don't know what journey it is going. Just take it.
Or better, you are smart enough to chipkaw it to the shopkeeper.
Yeah.
That's what you
go
do.
Clean it.
Yeah.
Money in India is a different kind of laundering.
Yeah.
Laundry
mangta.
Money ka
detergent it needs to be clean. But all of this is new, man. I mean, as far as wealth, the definition of being wealthy has changed quite a lot. Like, yes, America is so wealthy that it has these things being offered for vaccination in return of vaccination, but at the same time, it has a massive deficit. Okay, and that's just like what last couple of 100 years and whatnot, that we have currency notes and stuff like that. Like before that, you had
even like the amount of money has increases in the last like 200 years or something. Like, for example, the amount of money, like they always say, GDP keeps increasing and all.
Yeah.
What that means is the value, like 200 years ago, they couldn't dig the earth and take out stuff that could
No,
be.
they could.
No, not to the extent that they're doing now. like वो बोलता है ना
now they have machines and whatnot, but at the same time, dude, I'm just telling you, okay, just to
अच्छा,
put this
ठीक है,
in
ठीक है,
perspective, okay, now you were telling about that, now the whole digging out part and whatnot, okay, that just brings me back to that point I was talking about, how wealth has changed and stuff like that, and they have already taken out, like, if you're telling me, okay, in the past it was difficult to mine, and of course it was without machinery and whatnot, but still you had so many civilizations who had so much gold in them. Like all, like, so was just gold lying around, like people had to dig like 2
We
feet.
just covered everything. Like, you know, ऐसा झाड़ू मारा और सब pyramid में डाल दिया. Like, I think pyramid was like a dustbin for gold.
Gold.
Like, it's that way.
It feels like a, I mean, this is not an insult, of course, this is like gold and whatnot, dude, a lot of money and stuff for like, and not just that, temples, you know, like a lot of Hindu temples and whatnot had gold as a part of, you know, when you look at Vatican has a lot of gold. I'm pretty sure about it.
Dude, they stitch it into the clothes. Embroidery is golden
Yeah.
and whatnot.
Exactly, it's a part of the whole ritual and whatnot,
yeah,
right? It's symbolical, and basically we have money.
Dude,
that's what.
like honestly, every church has got the cemborium and chalice which is made of precious metals and whatnot. So,
Exactly.
like it's बहुत ऐसा security वगैरह में रखता है.
Yeah, and it's as if you try to find out.
No. I just went everywhere. Once I just asked, "Is this real gold?" That is what I asked.
And then,
Yeah, it is real. And it felt like it was more out of his ego. He was like, "It is real." What do you mean? हम लोग क्या gold plated use करेगा?
no, I think
It's
it was-
real though.
Yeah.
Real.
No, I'm just imagining that that person's way of looking at you just turned a bit suspicious.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
why are you asking? But it was used. I mean, you know, so much of gold is used everywhere and whatnot. And just to imagine that at one point of time, people were dealing in gold coins.
Yeah.
You know, like the chutta that we have now was just like they used to. That was the currency.
Yeah,
You
dude, just so heavy.
yeah.
They didn't have belts.
No.
So they are just tying it here. Dude, मैं wallet डालता है, चाबी डालता है और phone डालता है. My pants start slipping and I am embarrassed to walk on the streets in shorts. You look कैसा? Like no wonder rich people didn't walk.
Yeah, because it will then jingle jangle, na, the whole thing
and
you're
everyone
announcing.
knows. Everyone knows. Rather than that, turn that into like 5 hatta katta slaves around you who are carrying you around. कुछ matter होगा मार डालेगा तुमको.
I think that is what happened. Now money like became that thing, dude. Where you, if you just have more of it, you just like start looking at people like, I'm pretty sure he wants mine.
Yeah, you start looking for a price tag on a person.
Yeah.
Like immediately. Like किधर है तेरा? Gum. That thing where people give a once over, like rich people give a, that is them scanning
That is
for a
them
price
scanning.
tag.
Will he steal from me or will I steal from him?
Yeah.
That's always the question. So
Can I buy him before he steals from me?
yeah, and so that I can stop somebody else like him.
Yeah, and turn them against each other.
Okay, let's not break down the equation to having a lot of money.
Oh, good,
Okay, because we don't have any.
Yeah, and I want to have something in the future. I don't want to ruin it for myself.
Exactly. Yeah, we're looking forward to money.
Yeah.
Let's not ruin it before we get some. Okay. But I mean, wealth is such a thing that it ends up dictating so many things that you can have, easy or otherwise. You know, like the ease of it. You know. And then you're looking at how money has changed over time till now, you know, where like from the time where people are thinking cattle is money, you have sheep. Oh my god, dude, you're doing well in life, huh, Noel?
Look at that thing shitting. All that gobar is from his cattle, you know what?
It just was.
Yeah, it's like you stepped into gobar. Fucking hell. Like, hey, Baba, you know whose gobar this is? Okay. Whose gobar? ये गोबर भी तेरे पैर लगा तो तेरा नसीब बदलेगा, मालूम है?
Exactly. You can try and take your complaint and you'll end with a job, you know.
Yeah.
Like that is
like
the
I
thing.
see gobar here. That means there is a
Cow shed.
Cow shed. That means there is a job over there.
There's
वो
a
भी
job
करेगा.
over there, of course.
Yeah.
That was the whole, because sustenance was everything before we had like jobs and management and whatnot. You know, you had this. And now when I think about money, dude, it has changed. Like greed has played into people's understanding of change so much. Like a lot of people are going ahead and talking about crypto.
No, before that, like,
Yeah.
since you were saying money has changed forms, I think it will change in our stories about wealth also. Like, you know, there's this story about this farmer who before dying, he tells his lazy sons that there is a treasure buried in the field. He dies, the sons start digging, and in essence they plow the
Plow the field.
ठीक है, and then they sow the seed, and then all that they grow crops around. In today's version, crops will not come; they'll sell it to a builder.
Yeah.
Like, there is a treasure.
There is a treasure, of course, and the treasure is right there. You don't even have to dig.
Yeah,
Nothing.
It's like, no, someone else, one JCB will come to dig.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Like, you find that he'll tell the builder also that he'll ask for a bigger deal. There's a treasure, by the way. Okay, you'll make a building also, and you'll get a treasure.
Yeah, when you're digging foundation, just keep an eye out.
Yeah.
And you never know.
Never know.
But yeah, dude, crypto. Apparently, this is now Bitcoin has been in it's gotten ingrained in the popular culture to such an extent now that I overheard my building's watchman
He was
discussing crypto. They did not understand it, but they were interested. You know, they were like asking each other. So it was basically Bitcoin has made it to those regional newspapers also and whatnot, just because of the sheer transaction rate. You know, the more absurd it is, the higher the possibility of it being in the news.
कैसा हो रहा है
You know, like one Bitcoin is equal to $60,000. Oh my God, how, what? Like, you know, everybody is thinking, and because they are calling it a coin.
Yeah.
You know, like the fact that they ended up using that word so well, like they're making it like a
Yeah, because it translates as bit chiller.
Yeah.
Like, you know, ये चिल्लर बहुत आवाज कर रहा है आजकल.
बहुत आवाज कर रहा है. You know, and they are interested in it because they are looking at it as an investment sort of thing.
Is this new thing going to help me now?
But they are thinking about it in the manner that it's just going to overturn things for them overnight. Like, like they are.
This is that scam 92 share bazaar Harshad Mehta thing again happening, no?
Yeah. As far as it just makes the whole marketing thing behind the marketing wave behind Bitcoin, you know, seem that much more genius in that way though. You know what I mean? Where
the sales is good.
The sales are the perception of it will
the
exist.
Marketing, the media thing.
The perception of it will exist to some degree everywhere. You know, everywhere. And people are, dude, in Rajasthan, whatnot, you know, there are people like in some YouTube video, I was just watching Indrajit's YouTube video or something. Indrajit More from Bhatuppa.
Blue backpack.
Yeah, the blue black backpack fellow. He was, in one of his videos, I had seen somebody behind, like, you know, in one of the villages and whatnot, discussing Bitcoin in Himachal or somewhere. I'm not very sure about the location, but the discussion happened.
कुछ तो video था
Yeah.
उसका. He is roaming around.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
And it's become that thing where suddenly, you know, you see how societies in general are just like, you know, changing, like turning towards Bitcoin, like, oh, it has something, it has some value.
ये किधर छुपा के रखा था पहला?
It's like a gravitation of itself that it has, you know. And that makes me think, dude, like, do you think that might be the future of...
This is the best time to go and start, like, I think the scam callers, no?
Yeah.
They will start calling, Bitcoin मांगता है क्या uncle?
Yeah, oh
like,
my God.
वो चालू होने वाला है अभी.
And more than anything else, you know what? They'll have such an easy way in because hope is so easy to be...
Yeah, of course.
You know, taken for a ride. Yeah, like, it's so easy. Like, uncle, आपको कॉल किया और किसी को नहीं.
आपकी कितनी बच्चे कितनी बेटियां है, शादी करनी है ना, अभी आप दहेज में बिटकॉइन दो. Like, everything is going to start.
I think it must have happened already.
Yeah,
what do you think? I think दहेज में बिटकॉइन दिया है, हो गया.
Like, he got a big coin.
It's a flex.
जिसका हार बना के he just put on the दूल्हा.
Yeah, it's a flex, dude.
You know? Like popularity is going around.
It is a flex. Like, बिटकॉइन दिया.
हाँ, फिर दिया भाई.
बिटकॉइन दिया बेटी को.
एक बार घोड़ी पे चढ़ने के बाद, एक बार फेरे से पहले, फेरे के बाद, विदाई के टाइम पे भी दिया.
लाइक जस्ट मोबाइल हाथ में लेके ऐसा कर
रहा था.
That is what happened. But it would be pretty interesting to see if that happens. Both of those you know, systems at the moment that we have, like one which is paper currency and you know, stock market
no,
exchange.
It will be the first competition to paper currency in a long time. जो अपना conventional currencies है ना, which are controlled by governments.
It already is being seen as that. That's why you have a lot of different governments, you know, sanctioning, banning it out and whatnot. Some countries going ahead and saying
El Salvador, I think. They are using Bitcoin as for transactions everywhere. Cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Because dollar में उनका वाट लग रहा है. And many of their citizens live in US and earn money over there. So because they're earning in dollar, they have to pay taxes also. So rather than earning in dollar and like for transfers and all, wire transfer वगैरह, lot of deductions happen when they do it in dollars. So now the government is like loophole. ठीक है, वहाँ पे एल सल्वाडोर का यूएस में वो बिटकॉइन खरीदेगा, इधर मम्मी वापरेगी, इधर रेनोवेशन होएगा बिटकॉइन में घर का, एक और माला बांधेगा हम लोग. तो लाइक वो सब डिडक्शन का सीन हो रहा है वहाँ पे.
Okay. But El Salvador, yeah, I'd heard about it that they had started using, and it does sort of make sense because the economies which will be the most desperate would be lunging for that as an option. You know, whilst the others they're a bit more skeptical, you know, about it.
नहीं, जो सेट है ना अपना करेंसी में, वो लोग हाथ नहीं लगाएगा. वो लोग अरे ये तो डेंजर है अपने लिए.
But it's almost like it has its own like weirdly enough cool thing. Like, you know, like every other money
it's
thing.
It's the hip hop of the economics world.
Yeah,
right?
it's like a hip thing to have. Like, oh my God, Bitcoin. Like he's trading
investing in Bitcoin. He knows the next thing. He knows the future and whatnot.
Yeah, dude. I'm not.
Dude, it will really be huge when my dad comes and tells me, I got some Bitcoins. Like, because he's into share market and whatnot and all of that stuff.
Oh, okay.
He invests a lot.
Damn, dude, if that happens, I can just see you hugging your father so tightly.
Like, how?
How did this father, you know what? Whatever happened till now, fuck it.
I knew there was good in you.
I love you, Dad. Did I tell you that? Did I? I love you.
And then followed by just days of like, fuck, I'm not on Twitter. What if Elon says something? What if kuch aisa tweet ho gaya? What if something else happens?
You just hug your father and then whisper in his, I love you, okay? More than the rest of them.
but now our problems begin. Dude, but these currencies are very so there's this one fun thing when like since we are talking about currencies in general, like when the Berlin Wall was up, no?
Yeah.
So the currency of Berlin or sorry, Germany, I think West Germany or something, was controlled by allies and whatnot. या कुछ तो ऐसा सीन था. So it was like तेरे को वो ये होता है ना कि करेंसी जब इन्फ्लेशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, लोग जब विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं ना बैंक से, तो ऐसा हाथ गाड़ी में नोट लेके जा रहा है वैसा वाला, बिकॉज इतना डिवैल्यू हो गया. हाँ, ठीक है, इतना इन्फ्लेशन है दैट इट्स लाइक टू गेट वन लोफ ऑफ ब्रेड यू हैव टू टेक इट इन हाथ गाड़ी एंड ऑल, ऐसा था. तो द सोल्यूशन टू दैट ना, द जर्मनी का जो एड था ना, द गाय हु वाज इन चार्ज, मतलब इट्स कंट्रोल्ड बाय allies, but there is a liaison, no, there is like a government over there with the allies. So this chap, he created a new currency, ठीक है, and he created it on Sunday, ठीक है, because allies are on holiday. ठीक है, he created on Sunday, started, and immediately the economy revived.
Oh, damn.
तो he was just like, dude, ये लोग अलाउ नहीं करेगा. तो उसने इकोनॉमी रिवाइव किया by just changing the currency. वो तो like it's clear, वो रिक एंड मॉर्टी वाला एपिसोड है ना, गैलेक्टिक करेंसी 1 से 0 कर दिया, वही हो गया वहाँ पे, but reverse में.
And imagine how people will be using that example in the corporate world, you know.
Yeah.
He did that on a Sunday.
Yeah.
What are you ready to do for us?
You want a weekend? वीकेंड में दुनिया बदल जाती है, पता है? जब तुम सो रहे हो, जब तुम स्नूज डाल रहे हो अपने अलार्म पे, दुनिया बदल जाती है, दुनिया.
In recent history, like this last year or 2 years ago, whatever, I'd seen that happen in, I think, Venezuela also, where people were just buying bananas, and to buy bananas, they were weighing money.
Oh,
like weighing paper money, like currency, and just keeping bundles to buy banana, dude.
Banana is like the first thing you do when you like तू हाथ गाड़ी के साथ फ्री मिलता है.
Exactly.
ये भी बेच.
It's that sort of a thing, dude. You know how like and imagine, dude, that banana cart is also a legitimate source of nutrition for people with 5 rupees to 2 rupees and whatnot. Just give it and eat it and get on with life.
Dude, the calories you burn getting that money to the stall.
Yeah.
you get back.
Damn, man. But that's the thing, dude. Money is such a crazy thing, and there are then, you know, people who do not know how to manage economies and whatnot, countries and whatnot, who are very flippant, or maybe the economic policies are not that great and stuff like that. And then there are countries like Japan.
Oh.
My God, dude, like the level of like not breaking the facade as far as, you know, like straight stoic and just like they've been good with their economy and whatnot. You know, they've been like trying to balance it out.
Since
Yeah.
you said stoic and all, na, this is a very off-color joke, huh? But listen to this. So I think it's not that Asians or Japanese and Chinese, they look the same. No, they are trained to have that same expression. Each and every citizen.
Oh God. Yeah.
No, like this. Everyone should feel like we are cut of the same cloth. I think on their own, you see the, arey, sab alag dikh raha hai.
No. Come on, man. That level of conspiracy. That's another level of intelligence. No, Mr. Noel Cordero. No. Guess who's not allowed in Japan anymore?
Anyway, उसका anime इधर आता है तो टेंशन नहीं. Everything good on Japan anyway you are sending here.
No, dude. Japan is. I mean, that's one place that I would love to visit, dude. Just because of the way they. But I don't know, because see, that's the thing. Our work ethic and whatnot is very like Japanese people like to be like everything has to be put together. You know, perfect. Like that level of perfection, that expectation is like
Yeah, I mean,
extreme.
I'm whenever I see those sliding doors now, Japan in any movie or anything, I'm like, oh, this is just made of wood.
Yeah.
मेरा घर का जो खिड़की है that's sliding,
Yeah.
इतना कचरा रहता है, and like मतलब it just gets spoiled after some. It's impossible to clean with a vacuum cleaner and all also.
Yeah, I know.
You know, but these guys with a sliding door कुछ problem नहीं होता है. अब I know it's in a movie.
Yeah.
But still,
I was just going, where are you going? Like, it was still in a movie. Like,
Yeah, but like, imagine having a paper wall. Imagine having, like, they do with this simple stuff.
I think it's because they always like to be in control of like everything, you know, like they always like to have the aesthetically, if you go to speak, it's crazy anyway. Japan, you know, it's everything has to be prim and proper, everything is clean. You know, बोलोगा gutter में मछली रहता है, like and not वो tadpole मच्छर वाला मछली, like actual colorful
मच्छर खाने वाला मछली.
But like everything is like prim and proper and whatnot, and everything has to be perfect. And their economy like sort of did well, like through this. Although recently I ended up reading in the newspaper that they had a complaint regarding some metro project payment issues or whatever, but who knows?
The metro in our city
from Seeps to somewhere. I'm just imagining, like, you know how frustrating it would be to a Japanese person, like, because Indian approach towards time, punctuality, you know, it is very different. You know, of course, circumstantially also two different cultures, every history is different, people are different, I get it, you know, but they are antitheses of each other.
I think it's because Japan is just like one small island, no? So when you say I'm going to reach in 2 days, you'll reach. Over here, like anything can happen in India when you're traveling from one, just the expanse.
Maybe, but see, then again, you say that and I'll be like, okay, but it's still like tsunami prone, earthquake prone, like, you know.
I think that's why like जितना अच्छा जिंदगी हो सकता है जीते.
They have Godzilla, that doesn't help.
Anytime it comes.
Exactly. Starts breaking things down unnecessarily.
I think at one point they'll just have boards there, like, no, please go to China. It's right there. There's more people.
No, because you know what Godzilla's thing was, right? Like Godzilla was basically born out of propaganda post the nuclear scenario. And I mean...
Their public general fear of nuclear blast or something, no?
I mean... they do use nuclear power, but there's a certain section of the Japanese people who are also against it. And you club that with the atom bomb. And, you know, Japan, for example, is a country which says, like, no, we are not making atomic bombs. Like, we are not.
Yeah. We've seen what it does very closely.
It doesn't make sense. You know?
It's like that family that had, like, an accident with the Diwali rocket.
Yeah.
And they're like, abhi bas.
Abhi pataka ho gaya.
Okay.
Nahin.
Happy Diwali.
चिंटू का हाथ में पत्थर है. पटाखा हो गया अभी.
वो हाईफाई नहीं दे सकता किसी को.
हाईफाई कैसा? So it's basically that, you know, Japan is basically being an adult. They are outgrowing fireworks.
Yeah, they'll be the first people to like ascend and become higher form of human beings.
Yeah, because see, an atom bomb is an elaborate firework.
Yeah.
It's a boom.
जाता भी ऐसे.
Yeah, and
पाउस जैसा दिखता है.
You know, of course, what is falling out is radiation. But you know, it comes from that, and they ended up saying no, we are not going to do that. Even when they had the Fukushima tragedy, with the nuclear waste and how to get rid of it and stuff like that. Recently, they were letting out some water from the reactors into the sea, and a lot of people had protested against it also. So they're very in tune, with a certain like. Aesthetically it has to be pleasing, you have to be stoic, you have to be in control of your emotions, you have to be responsible for the children over there in schools okay are responsible for cleaning stuff and whatnot and serving food and stuff like that. They just know.
ये होता है क्योंकि पब्लिक नहीं है वहाँ पे.
but like, how long will we go ahead and explain everything with
वो भी है.
population?
It's a long list of people, not excuses.
सब कुछ थोड़ी करते हैं. Tomorrow we'll go ahead and say, हाँ, Japanese trains they all run because they do run on time. Even if they are late by a couple of seconds, the conductor apologizes. So sorry.
ये मेरे को थोड़ा मेरे को लगता है अनाउंसमेंट करेगा.
Announcement. Of course, I'm not saying like every
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं जो जगह पे पढ़ा था ना, they're like हाँ वो पर्सनली आके अनाउंस करता है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होगा.
तो फिर लेट होएगा ही.
Sorry, अरे लेट हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं, he's the next time like he reaches late, the people are why you I was apologizing. I was apologizing for being late. So that doesn't, but they do end up making an announcement like okay, we understand, your time is as important, and this is a matter of honor, pride, and all of that. All of that good self-esteem shit.
To add to this, there is one particle accelerator in India, one cyclotron, which is a thing that I used to work at before doing comedy and all.
Okay, I'm now interested to see how we went from there to there.
No, so one Japanese company का cyclotron है in India.
Okay.
And it is so good कि 4 साल में एक बार जापान से इंजीनियर आके उसका सर्विसिंग करता है. और 4 साल में कुछ नहीं होता है, कभी डाउन नहीं होता है. एंड इट्स बेटर देन एवरी साइक्लोट्रॉन ऑन द मार्केट. तू समझ रहा है, तेरे को सर्विसिंग करने का जरूरत नहीं है इसका. बोल.
Is that good? They just go ahead, start it.
चल रहा है.
Do everything by itself. Don't do anything. He just tells people that.
Like if the cyclotron had a life, it would still think it is in Japan.
Yeah.
Because the only people who come in are Japanese people.
Damn, dude. But that is a crazy thing, precision engineering. They're known for a lot of good stuff, In fact, they are so... but at the same time, it has its own drawbacks also. Like Japan has a very eclectic side to it. You know what I mean? Like they have a lot of vending machines and stuff that doesn't need a motor has a motor. Like you'll find a lollipop with a motor underneath it because you don't have to do this then. Yeah, dude.
क्या है इतना मेहनती पब्लिक की लाइक नहीं मेरे को आई नीड टू गेट दैट 1 microsecond also.
Exactly. That's how they are, like they just tuned into it, optimize everything has to be perfect. You have to live up to expectations, that's why you have to they have like the highest standards of things, like in terms of lab and lab work and stuff like that. And all of that also comes at a huge cost, because apparently now in the news I read that the Japanese government is basically trying to be Tinder for younger generation. Because
इतना काम कर रहा है.
no, not just काम कर रहा है, they are, because of all of that sort of a thing, they are losing.
The Japanese population is aging, no?
Not just aging, they are losing a part of what it normal human interactions and how they work and they entail, like dating, relationships, that emotional quotient, of like being with a person, being in a relationship with a human being, because
I can relate.
Long work hours. Yeah, I know you can relate, but I know you can, but long work hours, okay, long work hours, and no time to have a social life and whatnot. So everything is digital. They have those pillows that they in the shape of girls or women that they hug and they sleep. So they are just tuning out of that experience. And people are like, no, you cannot. You still have to be a human being. Yeah. This is important. Mitsubishi गाड़ी बनाने के लिए चाहिए कोई, ऐसा थोड़ी रहता है.
तेरे छाती पे कीबोर्ड उग रहा है, प्लीज रुक जा.
Yeah, you'll be typing like this soon. Stop. But Yeah, dude, that's what's been happening with Japan. And speaking
Shit,
about
like government is your Barney Stinson.
yeah,
government is your like
Barney Stinson.
Aja bhai is your
Yeah,
wingman.
yeah.
Shinzo Abe coming in like, have you seen?
Yeah.
Have you seen? Dead. Mushi.
Oh, damn, dude.
Oh my god, I can imagine Masoom Rajwani was a comedian. I can imagine him going like, वहाँ का government आके बोल रहे लड़की मांगते क्या लड़की मांगते
Shout out to Masoom Rajwani for
very
him on
funny
Instagram.
person. Please don't use this joke as a judgment for him.
Yeah.
he's very funny. Anyway, but
Coming back to this, yeah. What were we going to speak about?
talking about Japan and them getting blue balls a lot.
Damn,
The Japanese case of blue balls.
Nah.
Anyway.
That's I think
But like
that's a bit
them
too
as
harsh.
them as a culture, dude.
That's a bit too harsh. They're making our metro. That's a bit too harsh. Let them make.
And we are not going to be happy with it.
Oh yeah, you think we got blue balls? Let us give you blue balls. Okay. Guess what? This pillar wobbles. Okay. we don't want that happen. You know what? They won't be able to do that because it will just go against their
it's
grain.
like, I can't sleep at night.
I just cannot.
Like he'll be in bed with his wife and he'll be like, "What happened? What happened?
I did something
I
bad.
did something bad. My honor has been besmirched."
And then at night they'll come and fix it.
It's like, oh, what does he keep murmuring in his speak? He keeps saying Sakinaka, Sakinaka. Who is this woman, Sakinaka?
You know what? Whenever I imagine, now that you said it with that sort of an accent, the image that I had in my head was just Godzilla in Sakinaka. And he's just looking around like,
क्या तोड़ू? No, he's like, क्या तोड़ू? सब आधा टूटा हुआ लग रहा है. This guy, he's looking at this. I want. Oh, is this like a lesson how Tokyo should look after or like who was this monster who already went through Sakina?
oh man. But it'll be good, dude, once the metro starts. But I hope that the tree coverage and whatnot that is fucking off gets some sort of.
I hope some smart people are working.
Yeah. I hope that's the best you can hope for. Some smart people.
Someone who knows what they're doing.
That's what I've started doing, now like in the lift, elevator and whatnot, if I see like a smart looking child who's being pushed around a bit, I'm like, no. Fucking shut up. He gets whatever he wants. He's probably going to do something that will ensure we have enough oxygen. Okay, let's keep him.
Don't choke him.
Yeah, leave him. Okay.
Don't choke him.
Batting करने दे उसको. करने दे batting. Just have that. But
dude, batting is something that we both want.
Yeah.
Still we want.
Yeah. Because that's the thing, man. Batting is something that is somehow, at least I haven't played cricket in a long time, but when I used to play cricket as a kid, people played cricket means you did batting.
Yeah.
Bowling was not considered to be a part of cricket.
No. Cricket
Bowling is
only
bowling.
batting. Yeah, cricket is
only
batting. Everyone else is enabling you to play cricket.
Yeah.
The fielder is not a part of a team. He's just a guy who gets the ball. Imagine who is in control. If the bowler does not throw the ball when you are ready, you can say, no, I was not ready. Can you believe the kind of power the batsman has?
Like we have cricket and whatnot, and then Japan has baseball.
Yeah, that's so weird.
That's so weird.
Like, did they get that with the atom bomb?
Yeah, like it dropped. That was what I was going to say. That was what I was going to say. Dude. Like, did they drop it? See, because we have destroyed everything. Now you need to be doing something.
See all this land that has got cleared.
It's
you know
a
what you can do with it.
Make it a field. We have flattened it for you. Oh my god.
Oh god.
See, this is basically what happens when two comedians talk, okay?
Yeah,
Chill. Japan is doing fine. They are doing amazing. They already have robots to pick up shit. It's amazing. Okay?
Dude, their bathroom is automated.
Amazing bathroom. Amazing. Dude, the amount of technology that they have. You know what? That's why. Like what you said, if you have to bet on one country which will make that jump, into the modern age, Japan. All my money on Japan. My Bitcoin, no coin, chiller, everything on Japan, dude. Because they have killed it with understanding the importance of a bathroom.
Yeah.
They have just killed it. Like the amount of options that you have.
Yeah, I swear. I didn't hear any news of Japanese people running and holding toilet paper.
I think that would be any Indian's idea of heaven, a Japanese bathroom.
Yeah.
This is fucking
ये तो
brilliant.
सब मेरे लिए करता है.
Heated, not heated, the sort of water, in what like cycle. Dude, it's madness.
Dude, my shower doesn't have the features that
That a commode has. Exactly, right? Damn, man.
Dude, there's like video games and all in the bathroom.
Oh, I can imagine that. Yeah, Japan having video games, and their video games are also different. They make shit. They sell it to their own people. They do like cutting edge stuff. They have great cars, and they have a company which makes ACs. Mitsubishi, they make great cars also, and they are a bank also apparently.
Huh.
Yeah, Mitsubishi बोल के bank है. Like they have their own bank. I didn't know
I
that.
can guess that they would have diversified for sure.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Damn, dude. But
Dude, even I was watching this YouTube video of torii gates that they made. So torii gates are basically those Japanese arches.
oh yeah, the doorway
So,
pe in the anime you show the wooden blocks with the crescent shape on the
so,
top. Yeah.
those are like the most basic things which you'll see in anime and all. But like actual जो उनका historical है उस पे वो लोग का inscription रहता है या जो भी मूर्ति रहता है design वगैरह रहता है. Now those gates, okay, they are not built with nails. All those things fit into each other like Lego blocks. ठीक है? That's millimeter तक का वो लोग gap रखा है. And people talk about IKEA. IKEA is bullshit. और हर 10 साल में लोग disassemble करता है, उसको साफ करता है, वापस से assemble करता है.
Damn, dude.
That's their thing. That's like a job. That
But
is carpentry.
That also makes sense because they have this Zen ka thing also, na? This idea of Zen. Like, everything has to be, there's a confluence of things and it all comes together for that perfect moment, that perfect thing. Even their gardens and whatnot, they end up with pebbles and stuff like that. They end up doing that.
Are they the ones who you were saying about
Buddhists also do that.
नहीं कुछ तो like रंगोली टाइप बनाता है. I remember House of Cards में वो था.
No, that was Tibetan monks. So what Tibetan monks do is, dude, this is a very that's what I like to trip on sometimes, just seeing how different cultures break down ego. Like, yeah, dude.
How different cultures break down ego.
Yeah.
After conquering each other.
Because that's what it is.
Yeah.
That's all that it is, dude. You think about the Mayans and they're like, taking out hearts and then giving them as, sacrificial whatever to the sun god and rolling down heads and stuff like that. And people offering themselves up. That was an ego breaking down thing only. Like, I am not me.
That could be me someday. Like
Yeah.
everyone is looking, itna, let me not piss people off.
Yeah.
It could be my heart being raised in front of everyone now.
Or the fact that I would be glad to sacrifice because the idea of this me as an identity does not exist because I owe it to, it will be
community,
used for something else and whatnot. That, of course, it's not the way it should go. There are easier ways to break down ego.
They all died like, oh my god, it's just darkness.
Yeah.
Like the last thing you see.
Damn, dude.
There is no light at this tunnel.
Nah. And imagine, dude, all of those sacrifices and your civilization still ended. I mean, come on.
Before the expiry date.
Yeah. Before the
also.
expiry date. Damn, before the expiry date.
Expiry
exactly.
date also you decided, and before that, like, come on. So the ego was not destroyed. You overestimated like crazy.
Yeah, exactly. That's everything. Nobody can successfully do that. You just try it, okay? And the people who have come closest to it, I think, are the Tibetan monks that I saw, Buddhist monks. And one great thing that they ended up doing was they used to, what they do is, they create a very elaborate sort of, we call it Rangoli, they have a different name for it, but it's the same thing, like different colors coming together to create an image or a pattern. But they do
They
it.
create a mandala, no? It's called a mandala or something. No?
It might be. I do not want to, because I don't know, so I don't want to make a mistake and be like, I don't know. But what they did was they were using sand and then small like pipes and whatnot to lay it down. So it's a very painstakingly elaborate and lengthy process, and it's a huge thing. Like 15 people do it at once, 5 people do it at once, and it takes a long time. Like everybody takes their section, and creates it and stuff like that. And at the end of it, they take like a duster which is this big with a tiny stick and whatnot, and they put it in the center, and then they just start turning it. You know, like how you put a dosa or a crepe, you know, like that. They just start turning it, and it starts getting destroyed and destroyed and destroyed and destroyed. You know, and it's all to break down the idea of attachment to materialistic things and desires and whatnot. And I was like, dude, that is a reason for me to murder. That is, I am
Dude,
so
मैं पेपर बोट बनाता है और पानी में डाला और कोई ऐसा पत्थर भी किनारा तो मैं उसको मारने जाएगा.
Pathar, dude, I get angry. I used to get angry at water. Like, hey, don't make it wet. let it cover some distance. No, I made it. You know? I'm a city boy, dude. I have a city boy ego. You know, city boy ego is very different, dude.
Yeah, after seeing houses drown, you are like, नहीं ये बोट तो रहना मांगता है क्योंकि मेरा बोट है, वो घर कोई और बनाया.
City boy ego is very different. It's very weird. You know, village boy ego is different. Every like, you know, this is all like different sorts of variations of egos. But the way they ended up breaking it down, and I could see it. Yeah, it would break you down.
Yeah.
You know that, and they do it like, you know, repeatedly. Like it's a thing. It's a ritual. Like you have to keep on doing it. And just to go ahead and imagine, my God, dude, the way they end up, you know, going ahead and living as far as.
Yeah, then you don't want good clothes, you don't want entertainment and all that.
Because
like,
you just see through it. You're like, it doesn't make sense. All of it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, if you show like a Tibetan monk are like, oh, like whenever in the future and we'll be like, look, 100 episodes of Radical Message Pod. He'll just hit delete.
Yeah.
कैसा लगा?
Yeah. and
और हम लोग ऐसा
I'll be ringing this cord.
like around me.
What the hell, dude?
Like in the monastery they'll be like, oh, उसको इंडिया भेजा था, वो अभी तक आया क्यों नहीं?
Yeah. मालूम नहीं. Even if the Dalai Lama would be like, I didn't want this lesson. I know ego. I know. I've sold myself to it. Forget it.
Dude, I'm on Twitter.
Yeah.
Like, come
I'm a comedian. What do you want? I'm a comedian and a writer.
I got upset when Brooklyn Nine-Nine got cancelled. That was Dalai Lama. No, that was Dalai Lama.
I know. That was Dalai Lama. I know. Yeah, that was what we should tell him. You also, maybe there is no God, na? Huh? Suddenly, you're tweeting Brooklyn Nine-Nine got cancelled. Maybe there is no God. What happened, man? But very, 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 very calm, dude. Very nice people, and somehow, damn, dude. I mean, even the Dalai Lama lives in India. Like, he doesn't like
US, no? Oh no, India. Correct.
India. I mean,
he's a
Dharamshala,
political, asylum.
Yeah, asylum. He's he's gotten asylum, and because of course China looked at Tibet and said, "This is mine."
Wanderlust.
Yeah.
No, but I remember watching this episode of Penn and Teller. They used to have a show called Bullshit with Penn and Teller, I guess.
I don't
Kuch
know.
to tha, where they would
I know
like
Penn and Teller.
So they had a show where they would like scrap popularly held myths, popularly held beliefs.
Oh, yeah.
So they had a whole episode on Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa and Dalai Lama, talking about how these people are, so the Mother Teresa part of Christopher Hitchens and all, talking about how she supported some dictator and all.
Suffer, because that's what God wants you to.
Yeah. So in the same way, it was Dalai Lama. It seems the Tibetan monks are like the privileged class of Tibet. Like मतलब communist China and Tibetan monks के बीच में कुछ ऐसा फर्क नहीं. The mostly जो
I think that is the most that statement.
फर्क in terms of
no. Okay. It's too late. You have made a comparison which till now would not even. My God, what is happening in that brain?
In terms of the effect that it has on most Tibetan people, the Gawala people, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा. Like the Tibetan monks were also sort of like bullies to, like they were living off of the Tibetan people. ऐसा वो बोल रहे थे Penn and Teller वाले.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Because it's on YouTube. Check it out.
Who knows? There's always something.
Yeah, I mean, like I'm not pining my hopes on religious personalities anymore. Like, I'm just like,
everything has some. See,
dude, I'm looking for goodness in rickshawalas.
Yeah,
that's what I'm looking for.
Goodness in rickshawalas.
That is.
That's the most you can hope for. Like,
monk who sold his Ferrari नहीं मांगता. Monk who drives his rickshaw बता मेरे को.
That would be a better scenario, you know. So we're speaking about China, and just like it came into my head because, of course, I mean, China has been flexing as far as, you know, a lot in terms of the South China Sea and you know our
बहुत
border.
मस्ती कर रहा है वो.
Yeah, like our border thing, like a lot of different, like it's basically, and honestly speaking, China is jacked up on steroids for the last 30. It's like that, you know. China is
Yeah,
that
after
guy now.
90
Like
and all,
yeah,
yeah.
after like the moment the economy started like, you know, getting a boost and they became a manufacturing hub and money became like something that was flowing through the Chinese system as far as, you know, the economic system is concerned in terms of lending money, debts to US and whatnot, you know, that US owes and stuff like that. And investing in Africa and Brazil and all of these other third world countries, seeing where they can get resources, all of that, okay.
Yeah,
That's,
just buying entire countries, na?
yeah,
Essentially वही कर रहा है ना
essentially,
वो?
yeah. I mean, a lot of very poor countries owe a lot to China,
Yeah.
and a lot of rich countries also, dude. So
Yeah.
you see, like
Everyone owes someone
everyone
to
owes. Like China has just like it is making it has been making like grandmaster level moves in chess for the last couple of decades, you know, in terms of positioning themselves and stuff like that. But damn, dude, this pandemic has thrown a wrench in it because now news has sort of come out and they are probing that angle of the lab leak theory, which
कि कोई तो valve खुला रखा.
yeah.
खिड़की किसने खुली रखी?
Yeah, like in the most easiest way to explain it, it's that, you know. But there have been a lot of talks in the news, and there's a lot of diplomatic back and forth and pushback from China. Of course, there is pushback from China.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
not me.
It's not because you
Well,
do
then-
not want to be in that position, man. Because you remember, right, what happened after the First World War and the Second World War? The losing side had to pay a lot of money, a lot of money, like a lot. Like you know, they just ended up like, you know, they just took the bill, the Allied forces, and kept on adding zeros to it. You know, now to think about
To the point where Germany was like, एक और कर लेते हैं.
yeah,
It's better to be in war.
It's better to be. You know, I mean, they felt slighted to that extent that they were like, "Fuck it, dude."
कि
Like,
ये तो तू ज़्यादा ही
ज़्यादा
कर
ही
दिया.
ले लिया.
ज़्यादा ही ले लिया.
that is why they went ahead with the second war.
जान लोगे क्या बच्चे की?
that is Hitler. That is Hitler. जान लेगा क्या बच्चे? ऐसा थोड़ी हम लोग ऐसे खड़ा रहेगा क्या?
तुम लोग कुछ भी बोलेगा. मैं चुप बैठा तो तू कुछ भी.
That just sounds like Hitler. Huh? नहीं बैठेंगे चुप अभी.
Yeah, this should be like the background of that movie, na? Where Hitler is screaming.
Yeah.
They just put subtitles. जान ले को क्या बच्चे.
You know what would be the funniest edit? To have some sort of Bhojpuri edit on Hitler's speech. It would be the best thing ever. If somebody can do that on YouTube, go ahead, buddy. Become viral with that, okay? that is a viral thing, dude. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
That is a
Dude,
viral
it will be
thing.
shared like crazy by city
Yeah.
people.
I remember seeing something like an editor had taken like certain clips from Game of Thrones and then like edited and put like,
Oh,
and it had gone viral. It had gone like, it worked really well.
my probably one of the first YouTube videos when I was introduced to YouTube by my cousin was Titanic in Konkani, which is my mother tongue. Okay, and it has got like crazy shit. It's just clips of Titanic. where, and it's got that, there's a twang. Na? Every regional language has got a twang. So when you hear Kate Winslet talk in that twang,
It doesn't match.
It is just hilarious, but it doesn't
match.
match. Hilarious. so there's this point where he enters where they are entering the ship and all. So the ticket, one of the characters giving the ticket, and at that time the porter or whoever says ticket please. So the porter says ticket please. The character says like, are your eyes broken? Can't you see?
But you know what, Noel? That wasn't for you. Like, of course, they showed it to you, but
I lost my mind. I was 16 years old. I was like, oh my god, wow.
yeah. Of course.
I still watch it and I
You still
enjoy
watch it. Yeah. Okay.
dude. I will go home and I still watch it.
Cool. Yeah. No, because I've realized that we do find it incredibly funny when some translated work or whatnot is seen. But at the same time, it's such a new experience for people who have language restrictions, barriers in terms of education and whatnot. For them, it's a trip, man.
This was not dubbed, whole Titanic dubbed. This was just clips. Someone made a funny video.
Oh, like what I was telling. I was thinking in Konkani Titanic.
No. Sorry.
Maybe that far away. Who knows?
No,
They
sorry.
might have.
No,
Okay. Cool.
उतना किसी को टाइटैनिक दिखाना नहीं है
Yeah.
पब्लिक को.
But no, I was thinking maybe probably like Konkan seafaring anyway, like just show them like
Like, don't go out in the
Yeah.
sea, okay?
during rainy season.
PSA for fishermen.
Iceberg. You know how crazy it would be if fishermen come across iceberg, they'll climb it.
Yeah, they'll be like, दिखते ना क्या है?
फोटो निकल सब बर्फ खा रहा है.
And they're on the radio. Hello, Coast Guard. Hello. दिख रहे हैं कुछ तो.
No. You know what they'll do? They'll go up to the iceberg, they'll cut up the ice, and they'll use that to store the fish. That is what will happen. Iceberg is no longer a problem.
The guy who sells ice, everyone will be like, आज कोई लेके नहीं रहा है. Please ice.
And then
he just throw it back in the sea.
No, and then he just sees like a fisherman walk with such a big ice, you know, just a block of ice, dude, just walking like that. My God. But yeah, we were speaking about Germany, na? Germany, Hitler, Bhojpuri से इधर आया अपन. My God, dude. Sometimes the sort of jumps that we end up taking. But
दुनिया घूम ले हम लोग पहले.
Yeah. But yeah, dude, that we were speaking about that lab leak theory ka thing, and it is gathering some sort of traction in terms of some sort of consensus, and it's so funny because beforehand everybody was like, no.
This can't be. This is the crazy version.
Yeah. Like, how can it be that bad? Like, people were so, they would just, see, this is why, you know what, like, that level of trust, na, in terms of whatever comes up and whatnot. You feel it because there's always bias of some form, in some manner, that is involved in terms of how news is dissipated, you know, to the common people. And the same thing happened over here. The moment it had started, everybody was like, especially when Trump was calling it all sorts of things, and people were like, racist, very bad, terrible, you cannot be here. Like, you
I have Chinese friends, hello.
Yeah. And to a certain extent, it did make sense because there was a lot of anti-Asian American hatred.
Nuts,
yeah. Plus, it happened here also.
Yeah, for some reason.
For some reason, people beat up like people from Nepal and Northeast and whatnot, as if. Why?
That doesn't stop.
Like, dude, don't fuck around with people in the Northeast. I'll tell you why. Because those are some of the most beautiful states that we have in our country.
Yeah.
Okay, in terms of like just natural biodiversity and whatnot. And it's cool people, all right? Just fucking don't beat up.
People
Like, you just look at somebody with like Asian features, those sort of Asian features, you know, similar to Chinese, and you're like, Chinese. Marega isko. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार. But
it's like, how lazy are you? Go to the border, no?
Yeah.
Go. Rasta hai udhar tak.
But you know, a lot of people, Biden has called for it. You want to, you know, have a closer look at it and whatnot. And of course, China is like, you know, no, it can't be. But you know, why is there consensus? Because there is a Wuhan coronavirus lab. You know,
this is like another silly way to put it. The whole world is having a who farted scenario.
Who farted?
Who farted?
I don't know. But because you need to know. You know, here in this elevator, you need to know, buddy. Because the whole world is in this elevator, okay? This is not just...
And this is killing us right now. And we can't get off this elevator.
So we need to know so that it doesn't happen to all of us again.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah,
okay? Nobody is like being like...
I have Gelusil, please. खाने वाला कोई चाहिए, please.
That's the thing. They've been looking at it, and there is a lab in Wuhan which was testing, and it had live samples of bats. Like, it's been known, like, jo thoda bahut hai, and they are not sharing a lot of information because they are saying that this is a witch hunt, which is what China will say. Ki, no, this is not our fault. This is a witch hunt. It's perfect. We have like high standards and whatnot when it comes. But you say that, but then you ignore the doctor who shouted, "Arey, corona hai, corona." You know, till he poor fellow died, dude.
Like at some point, Biden and the whole world will be like, "Hey, we know you're not Japan, okay?
Yeah,
You're China.
Know. Yeah,
those people protest when nuclear waste goes. You guys started Minamata disease, okay?
But
shut up."
So that's the thing, dude. They'll be and it would be hopefully like resolved nicely, you know, without bad shit happening, because it has all the capabilities of, you know, bad shit in the most in the most tangential weird way, maybe not directly but indirectly, economically speaking, so on and so forth. Extra
because
sanctions.
Moral high ground is like the most is worse than nuclear weapon.
Yeah, man.
Like in terms of
and you know, we are the only like if you go to look at it, the balancing force on the subcontinent as such when it comes to China.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm just thinking like one way, there are many ways things can pan out, right? Many different ways, many different possibilities, you know, depending on how things match up and whatnot, and you know, the outcome will depend on that. And when we see this, you know, like what if the manufacturing thing just shifts
To India.
to India?
Oh, dude, the UP, Bihar, all those places which have like crazy poverty. Any
Yeah.
place in India with crazy poverty.
A lot of places.
Suddenly will boom.
A lot of places, yeah.
Suddenly there will be a boom.
But at an environmental cost,
Oh, heavy environment.
heavy environmental cost.
Be
right?
ready for more drought.
More drought,
And more flood.
more drought, more flood, more extremes.
Yeah, extreme
Yeah.
shit.
That's why I shouldn't get insurance. Like, it just doesn't. No, I should, but I
Who will you
shouldn't.
pay?
Like,
Like now it has become that only. You know, the reason, like my dad's insurance thing also is taking a long time to get processed because they probably don't have money.
Yeah.
They've just been paying through the nose for people's COVID shit.
that's why, like, when I get a call and whatnot for credit cards and whatnot now, na, like they are just telling कि sir ले लो आपके, you know, ये बैंक पे है वगैरह, you know, और कितना credit limit वगैरह आप वापरो sir वगैरह. You know, that's the ghost that haunts our studio. That's the Chinese ghost that came by.
The Chinese are slipping.
Yeah.
Again, they are not as efficient as Japanese ninjas.
Yeah. But what were we speaking about, buddy? We were speaking about
environmental
costs. And after that,
And we spoke about, we were talking about environmental costs, manufacturing shifting here.
oh yeah. And it's okay.
It's okay, but like,
I
क्या
was-
था? This
no,
weird
yeah,
blank.
it's a weird thing because no, this is a stream of consciousness.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
just thinking about something and then you move on ahead.
Huh.
But anyway, I think what I was speaking about was the fact that yeah, there will be a heavy environmental cost, a lot of droughts, a lot of floods, a lot of weird erratic shit that might happen, and then that's why we spoke about the insurance thing. And
हाँ,
whatnot,
we
you
spoke
know?
about insurance.
Yeah, yeah, and the fact that इतना clear होने को time ले रहा है. and-
Credit card.
Yep. So see,
लेके आया मैं तेरे को.
लेके आ दिखा
घूम गया तू,
रास्ता. ये मैं GPS बोला ना इधर टेक राइट टेक लेफ्ट पहुंच गया अपन. तो
What are we sharing with the world?
what a weird happiness. Happiness. Of course, you found your way.
If
Of
you
course.
can find true love, I can find like a way in a conversation.
Yeah. What a
तेरी
comparison.
नजरों ने, like that one. No, I'm right.
No.
No,
You're
referring
again.
that shit,
no,
yeah.
yeah, I know, but you're again getting lost.
Okay. इधर आ बे.
इधर आ वापस. So I got a call for like, you know, credit card ले लो sir हम offer कर रहे हैं, you know, and whatnot. And the only reaction I give them now is नहीं times are bad, तुम तुम्हारा पैसा रखो. You know, ऐसा ही देते मत फिरो किसी को. टाइम खराब चल रहा है, ठीक है. You don't.
अभी बहुत तंगी है
बहुत तंगी
बेटा. फ्यूचर का कुछ बोल नहीं सकते कि कितनी उम्र है तुम्हारी. सर 20 साल. अपने पास रखो. किसने तो मेहनत करके कमाई है ना पैसे.
और देखो सुनो सिगरेट में फूक मत देना सब.
Dude, I have this theory that the reason why whenever you go to a doctor and all and you have a big illness, the reason why they tell you to eat healthy, stop smoking, stop this is because they're like bill बहुत आने वाला है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अभी से कटौती चालू करो.
बचाने का चालू करो पैसा लगने
Start
वाला
being
है.
responsible, okay?
तुमको लग रहा है ना स्ट्रांग है.
हाँ,
नहीं. ऐसा चलते चलते पैर ऐसा हो गया तो चलने को नहीं होता है. The foot has to fall properly, otherwise it's sprained.
I swear, dude.
So that is going to happen, but fucking hopefully this thing comes to an end, man. This whole
Pandemic.
Yeah, the pandemic thing, man. I really do because
अभी पक रहा है.
हाँ.
अभी where do I reimburse my 20s?
Yeah.
वो situation हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Just like, but people are predicting कि एक बार खत्म होएगा ना तो क्या मचने वाला है. Like people
I
are
know.
using that
And
Spanish
that's
flu
what-
का example, plague का example कि oh artists
bounce
are
back.
going to go,
Everything will
everybody
bounce back.
like
Golden
crazy
age and whatnot again.
हाँ,
Yeah,
it will
yeah.
start.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग वो theory है.
Yeah, these are people who can't wait. They already are salivating, you know. कल का buffet का सोच के आज ये हो रहा है. These are those people, okay. Like, and then there are some people who are saying like it's going to take a lot of time or whatever. But as far as you know, अपना this pandemic ka thing is concerned and the way it is going to play out and whatnot. There was a cab fellow who was telling me recently कि 2 साल तो minimum लगेगा और. You know, 2 साल. Yeah. And you know, I asked him like, अरे मतलब तू 2 साल हुआ है बोल रहा है कि 2 साल लगने वाला है. You know, yesterday when we were coming back afterwards when he was dropping me, he was telling. And 2 साल तो लगने बोला क्योंकि साहब अलग अलग वेरिएंट आ रहा है, अलग अलग वेरिएंट आ रहा है करके. मैं बोला हाँ वो तो है dude. And then I realized, you know, because this is a legit fear that people have. Like Delta variant, you'll have the third wave and whatnot. Some paranoia, some fear, some legit fear, you know. And that is when I realized, dude, it will probably take a lot of time because hygiene is such a big problem here now. That, no, honestly, dude, like it's almost like the virus uses Indian bodies like a gym. You know, like, it comes here and it gets stronger, dude.
तू रोज ऐसा खास रहे ना, वो एक्चुअली वायरस पुल अप कर
रहा है.
और वायरस लेग्स डे पे ऑफ नहीं लेता
है. लेग्स डे पे तो बिल्कुल नहीं, डबल करता है. डबल स्क्वाट मारेगा. You know, that is basically the level of variants and whatnot that are coming out. Like the fear around the fungus ka thing, you know, the different the fungus is that, you know, mucormycosis,
black fungus, white
black
fungus
fungus.
will be,
It's covering the whole color spectrum now. It's like वो Pink Floyd का Dark Side of the Moon का prism का photo है ना लोग है वैसा है, dude. It's like one COVID virus is going here and then the other
सात
side.
बन के आ गया.
Every sort of color.
Oh, dude.
I really hope it gets easier, man,
Dude,
for
this
people.
hygiene wala cheese you were saying, na, and things were open and all, I used to go to like open mics and all वगैरह. So we would walk most of the way.
Yeah.
Right. So I would see like you can just see like, you know, beggars on the road. They're technically they're not beggars because they're selling something, but what they're selling is earbuds.
Yeah.
Like that's how little they know about this. And like people are buying also. They're like, अरे यार उसका गरीब का मदद करेगा, but like तो hygiene product खरीद रहा है.
But
tissue paper खरीद रहा है.
Yeah. But you have to realize why, because there's just so much traffic, man. Like there's traffic already. There's traffic. In a pandemic, I have seen traffic. Pandemic hasn't been able to stop traffic. Like only lockdown did.
Force.
But otherwise, like, you know, that proper strict lockdown that we had, then we had like, you know, very less traffic. But otherwise, dude, and I almost feel like traffic is progressively getting worse. Like now it's like, dude, in a city like Mumbai, though, at least it's madness. The way people are driving and whatnot, it's ridiculous. It's like you are in the slowest race. You know, you're behaving like you're using like 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer speed for like 5 inches of, you know, and then
it's a race of constipation.
Yeah.
Like everybody's constipated.
Everybody's like thoda sa, and because of that, there's like
slow
utter
and
chaos.
sludgy.
Yeah, it's like a blocked artery. Basically, that's what it is. It's like a very obese person's heart is Mumbai,
Bombay roads.
Yeah. The whole layout, Mumbai ka and whatnot. It's that only too.
Although when I've spoken to an uncle who lives in Mangalore, he says that Mangalore drivers are more crazier.
Yeah, because the moment you leave Mumbai, that much also is not there.
Oh,
like,
that discipline also.
No. So that's the scary part. Because there's levels to this. Okay, this is not like one rule applies to all. There's levels to the craziness and the chaos. Dude, you go outside. Like I had gone on a bike trip and I had gone on a road trip, and we had ridden all the way to the south, Kanyakumari and whatnot, and then Gujarat and a couple of different places. All of the places that I've been to, I've seen that the moment you leave the city or you're going further away from the city, people drive or ride like it's a game. like on a highway, dude, on a state highway nonetheless, a state highway with a divider in between, you know, to divide like the direction, इधर से जाने को, इधर से आने को, बीच में divider, झाड़ वगैरह सब, उसमें भी ये साइड से बंदा wrong way आ रहा है. क्योंकि मेरे को आधा किलोमीटर ज्यादा नहीं चलाने का है. मतलब जाके U-turn, B-turn वगैरह सब नहीं.
That kind of shortcut is for people who walk. Why are people on wheels using walking people ka shortcuts?
I have seen one person cross a state highway in a car diagonally.
Oh shit, no. What crazy people.
And I remember the car also. I remember the degree of the tint also, because I just couldn't believe it. that this is happening. And he just went as if he basically thought, yeah, there is God, I will survive. That's it. He did not think about anything else. He just went for it, dude. And everybody else remembered God because of him. You know?
Time for a miracle.
My God, man. Like, it should get a bit easier. Like, that's why I'm telling you, don't learn how to drive. There's no point.
Yeah, I've figured that out, because when we travel to like shoots or shows or anything as such, I figured out that when I get out and we are talking to people about the journey, na, I always say ki, हाँ ठीक था, अच्छा था. And then you are complaining of like 3-4 times in the journey where we almost died.
Yeah, dude.
And I was just like, oh my God, what am I? What? Like this happened? Like I couldn't read it. And then I realized that more than learning how to drive, what I'll learn is to see oncoming dangers, which I can do nothing about. Okay? I'll just be able to see more death around me if I learn how to drive.
Like, you know, I'm so close to just, you know, doing what वो aeroplane में मिलता ना, eye cover, सोने के लिए पहनता वगैरह. Just wear that and sit in the cab, dude. Like a kidnapped person. Just sit. I don't want to see how you're driving. Just drive.
Yeah. I'm pretty
there.
sure like when people get kidnapped also there's the same thing.
Yeah.
Like, you don't want to see me driving.
By the way, kidnapping is such a drastic thing to do, right? You're just picking up a person.
Huh, you have to take care of them.
Like, just picking up a person. Like, chal rahe. You know why? Because you want money. What is this? It's the weird sort of thuggery.
A person who gets kidnapped is the ultimate middleman.
A person who gets kidnapped. Oh my God.
Yeah, he's the middleman.
Because that person has to face the consequences. The person who has been kidnapped, you know, the victim has to face the consequences, but everything that they can see is extreme.
Yeah.
Like kidnappers are behaving extremely, they hear the ransom, they are behaving extremely, everything is extreme, and they're like, my God, I won't live. You know, there's too much madness. कुछ भी हो रहा है, dude. ऐसा है कोई इंसान को उठा लेता है, bro. What is it?
Now you made me a commodity.
Yeah,
like,
dude.
Now you made मेरे ऊपर भाव तोल हो रहा है.
I think that is what would happen. Like, even if there's like, you know, an alien crash landing or something like that, that is what will happen.
The first thing that happens is we kidnap that alien.
Kidnap it and then keep it. You know, you have all sorts of pets anyway. That's the thing. People know, because people are always trying to one up. You know, it's always like a, you know, ego thing. Like people are always trying to one up each other in terms of a bigger pet, a grander thing on a bigger scale, you know, all of those sorts of things. And people have tigers and whatnot, dude. Like, kya cheez? Like, but Labrador kidhar, Sher, tiger, lion वगैरह किधर? क्या रख रहा है, dude? Golden retriever रखना.
An animal you can't pet also.
You can't, dude.
हाथ भी नहीं लगा सकता, dude. What
Leave it in the jungle, no man. Why are you getting it in a cage and keeping it?
मेरे
Like,
सामने हगने का.
yeah.
लायन को कभी हकते थे, मैं रोज देखता है.
मेरे बैकयार्ड में शेर हकता था. It's an ego thing only, ना, again, like just a puffing thing. शेर पाला है, मैं शेर. समझ रहा है तू?
Even this like political show, हम शेर पालते हैं. Do you even know? तू vegetarian है पहली बात तो.
शेर पाला है. Dude, we don't need tigers and lions. We need people who can work. Like, why do people keep saying that, dude? We don't want a lion for the job. Who is hiring this dude? We want people who will do work and finish. Done. It's sorted, you know. Like, you know, the sort of like, I've always found it funny how, like, I hate the amount of squareage that political parties ka flexi boards and hordes and whatnot take up, man. You know, all that we have that time of the episode where Noel has sort of, no? It's good. Arre, wow.
So win.
Sikha hai. Nice. So, but I really detest those hoardings and flexi boardings. Then they are put up everywhere, man. And of course there are rules and regulations against it, but nobody follows it, of course. You know, and always you'll see this typical, like, you know, photo of like 3-4 buttons open and like gold chains and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And they are the political parties only, they are treating this board like a CV.
Huh.
who goes for a job interview with Sone ka chain and 2-3 this open and whatnot, dude? Who tells, trust
A
me,
guy who says I'm your brother.
I'm your brother. yeah.
that guy goes.
That
मैं
guy.
भाई है तुम्हारा भाई को वोट नहीं देगा क्या? अरे वो भी भाई बोला है मेरे को, मैं बड़ा भाई है.
बड़ा भाई, हाँ बड़ा भाई.
Like, तो तुम लोग दोनों झगड़ा क्यों कर रहे हैं? भाई लोग झगड़ा.
भाई लोग झगड़ा नहीं करता क्या तू? But let's see, what else, man? What else are we talking about?
Pets का thing पे.
Oh, yeah,
I
you-
saw a very trippy thing.
What?
I saw someone have a pet housefly. Let me explain.
Oh, like a makhi.
Yeah, a makhi, an actual makhi tied to a string,
Okay.
and he holds it and it flies around. That's a pet.
Ah, fuck, man.
That's
What
a
is-
pet. That's the ultimate pandemic
So
thing
there's a
happening.
fly sitting on a pile of shit,
Huh.
and you're so vela in life, so vela that you basically decided to spend time. Like, this is basically Buddhist meditation. I think a Tibetan monk
That's
came
it.
up with this.
That's it.
That is what. Try
It's where a Tibetan monk and a beer-addled redneck meet.
Yeah.
That circle connects.
Yeah, that circle. Humanity comes together. Like, it's like you tie a string, try to tie a string to a fly, and you will lose all of your strings to this. It's like that sort of a thing. Without hurting its wings,
Oh
without
my
anything.
God.
You will be perfect. You
But
will be zen.
I googled how to do it.
Why?
I just like, dude, I need to see how he did it.
Oh, okay.
So you capture the fly under a
Okay.
cup and whatnot.
Okay.
ठीक है, which is something we all do.
Yeah.
To like throw the fly out of the house. You capture that, keep it in the fridge for 7.5 minutes. Yeah. So you're basically torturing the fly, making it stop. Then you take it out. It's a little unconscious and whatnot. And
Oh, the right amount of unconscious.
yeah.
Oh,
Just enough. And then you tie. So in my head, like the fly wakes up. Fuck.
And that's why it's flying around in a circle.
Like देख मेरा राजू क्या ट्रिक करता है.
And he's just like, hey, no, bachal. Looking for the other fly. Oh, God, dude. And that would be when, that fly, would have been told by his fly friends कि देख ये इंसान लोग पे विश्वास में चूतिया लोग ये लोग कुछ भी करते रहता है, ये लोग के नजदीक ज्यादा भटक मत हो गए. Like, अरे मैं इतना छोटा है, मेरे को क्या करेगा?
बांध के रख दिया वो.
It's a weird thing we have, right? We want things in places, like I take this, I'm like, you stay there only.
Yeah.
Like a dog, you chain it outside and you're like, there, stay. No,
Yeah.
Stay.
Like that's why even continental drifts like make us sad.
Yeah.
क्यों यार?
क्यों?
इतना अच्छा तो देश है यार. Like ये सब बदल जाएगा.
ये सब बदल जाएगा.
गोवा में स्नो पड़ेगा. क्या यार?
क्या यार? होने वाला है वो. गोवा में बर्फ पड़ेगा. I'm telling the way we are going ahead with the global warming, 2040 पड़ी. We are taking winter clothes to Goa. बागा पे skating ring होएगा. Ice skating.
Like all the land that now Goans and hotels and all are fighting on, hotels are encroaching.
Yeah.
The sea will encroach.
Yeah.
Done. Sort ही हो गया.
ना तेरा ना मेरा. ये मेरा. तुम लोग रिक्लेम करता है ना लैंड, चल मैं भी कर सकता है. मैं भी कर सकता है लैंड.
ये एक्चुअली मेरा है. तुम लोग क्या है, अभी आया है, कल का पैदा हुआ बच्चे लोग है तुम लोग.
It's a very weird thing. What we do? This is mine. You're just standing on land and mine. That is it.
It's like 2 million years later, someone asked the earth, what were the humans like? They kept saying mine. मेरा बोलते ही रहते हो, पता नहीं.
Full time, dude.
मैं.
Different language, same word, dude. Different language, same word.
Oh, God.
It's funny, dude. How like I saw a garden, recently, like a garden well maintained and with plants and whatnot, and they had a board which said no dogs allowed. I'm like, but how will dogs know that? They were getting angry at street dogs, dude. Like the watchman is getting angry at street dogs. Hey, नहीं allowed, नहीं, अरे वो लोग को कैसा मालूम, bro? वो लोग घास देखा है, ये देखा है, वो लोग बोला वाओ चल समथिंग इज वर्किंग आउट इन लाइफ, क्योंकि ये डांबर वगैरह का तो कोई बात ही नहीं किया था ब्रो।
एक जगह जहाँ पे चटका नहीं लगता है पैर को लाइक वाओ,
ऐसा लेट के मस्त सा सॉफ्ट लगता है।
नो वन थिंग एंड लाइक दैट्स द प्लेस यू वांट डॉग्स टू गो एंड टेक अ डंप।
एग्जैक्टली।
मैं कभी कभी ऐसा वॉक पे फुटपाथ पे दिस जस्ट पाइल्स,
ओह या
just
या
piles. And half is street dog, half is freaking people who own dogs.
Yeah.
क्या लोग हैं तुम लोग?
yeah. It's just not people just are not good with dogs overall. Like if you know, like dogs need exercise, they need to be taken care of, they need to like all of that, and you need to pick up after your dog, you know, and because if you do that, guess what, buddy, you'll have more dog parks, and you won't have boards like this where they say dogs not allowed. Yeah, dude. Come on, it doesn't make and street dogs though, I mean it would be difficult, dude, being a street dog, because everything seems alien in a city.
हाँ,
लाइक ब्रो क्या चल रहा है, ये किधर से कौन क्या जा रहा है, आवाज वगैरह सब कुछ डांबर बना रहा है, ये कर रहा है, इधर से हटा रहा है, रिक्शा चल रहा है. इट्स अ गुड थिंग वी आर नॉट स्ट्रीट, इट्स अ गुड थिंग, लेट्स स्टॉप देयर.
मतलब ऐसा स्ट्रेच करके दो पैर पे चल के अच्छा लग रहा है,
अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा लगता है,
ये अच्छा किया,
ये अच्छा किया. But let's see, we are I think at an hour and a half. Yeah, hour and a half. Nice, beautiful, dude.
Hour and a half?
Yeah.
We've not
Apparently, we are
spoken
blabbermouths.
about- Yeah. We talk a lot.
We talk a lot.
I think that's why people just moved away.
Yeah.
like बहुत बात करता है ये आदमी.
No. But no worries, man. We are at the end. Yeah. We can wrap
You
this
want
up.
to take any other topics? Anything else in mind?
No. We're cool. We're fine. You got some battery left?
If you have a topic, you can go for it.
Yeah.
Go for another time.
Let's this interesting thing that happened in the world of football.
Oh, yeah.
The first time football actually affected something
Yeah.
other than a broken window pane.
Oh my God, dude. Yeah.
That is so crazy, dude.
That is so crazy. Like Cristiano Ronaldo, buddy, coming through. All right, Cristiano
Nice.
Ronaldo, CR7, right? That's his
No
thing.
clue.
I know. No, that's his thing.
That's his thing.
Like, yeah.
Calling card.
Yeah,
CR7.
calling card. Yeah.
उधर भी साथ.
Yeah, udhar bhi saath. But but
Once before
yeah.
you go ahead with this fucking number thing, no, is so stupid.
Why?
Well, I remember this thing of hotels not keeping floor number 13.
yeah.
You know, they
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
do that and all. Okay, you think 13 is unlucky. How stupid are you that you buy this solution?
Yeah.
That you accept this solution?
There's a comedian, I think Stephen Wright or somebody
Achha,
else, who
usne
says
bol
like,
diya?
yeah, of course, because it's
It's
there.
out there,
It's
yeah.
out there. Like, come on, it's there as a thing. Like 14 becomes 13.
Yeah.
You know, just because you don't call it that doesn't mean it isn't there.
Yeah, I can imagine a kid in the room going just to piss off their parents, be like, we are on the 13th floor. It's actually 13.
Who knows?
Okay.
But yeah, what Cristiano Ronaldo basically ended up doing was he had a press conference going on, the Euro Cup press conference, and there were bottles of Coca-Cola in front of him, and because they are sponsors of the championship, and he basically took that, kept the bottles aside, and fronted up a bottled water and said agua, which is in Portuguese
This is
like water.
number one. Yeah,
No, just water. Yeah, like
Pani
ye
piyo.
pure
हाँ,
pani.
हाँ.
Yeah, that sort of a thing. And the world was losing its shit because apparently, Coca-Cola's valuation dropped by 4 billion or something like that. But people were losing it to such an extent as if this is the downfall of Coca-Cola. No.
In a politically correct world, they still use the abbreviation Coke
Yeah.
for their brand.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
because it had it, with the
And they're
before
like, we are
cutting.
addictive.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah, we have sugar and whatnot. So what? Like they're a big brand. Okay, people don't understand scale of these things.
Huh.
You do not need to lose your shit because valuation goes and it comes back again.
Yeah.
Right? That's the thing. Like Coca-Cola का कम हुआ और फिर slowly बढ़ने को भी चालू हुआ. इसके लिए वो लोग रिएक्शन नहीं दिया पहला स्टार्टिंग में.
वो लोग बोला हाँ ये तो ट्रेडिंग होता है.
Yeah.
मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली सुना नहीं कोई क्रिस्टियानो का क्योंकि कोक का वैल्यूएशन कम हुआ पेप्सी का बढ़ गया. अबे वो पानी बोला था.
नहीं कोक नहीं, ठीक है चलेगा.
पेप्सी पीते हैं
Pepsi पीते हैं.
यार दिस rum is too neat.
No, but I think a part of it was also the market's reaction to it also to an extent. You know, like okay, remove your money, like panic buying and selling, like you know, put it in Pepsi and whatnot. But it
पानी
will
का स्टॉक
balance
किधर
out.
है पानी का स्टॉक किधर है प्लीज पानी का स्टॉक
No, it'll balance out, dude. Like and Coca-Cola, it's not going to go like you know, like I am pretty sure people in Coca-Cola will be fine. Will be
It's
yeah.
everywhere. I
This
just
is-
saw
this is-
someone buy Coke.
We know.
We have, no, they'll be like Messi का fans है ना वो लोग Coke
Yeah.
खरीदेगा
Yeah.
out of protest वो
Out
लोग
of
Coke
protest. and they'll just basically say कि this is a thing that happened on the internet.
हाँ
That means people will forget it tomorrow.
हाँ.
It doesn't matter. This will bounce back up. You do not need to worry about anything. I'm pretty sure about it. But after that, a French player, Pogba, he had Heineken या कोई तो beer का bottle, zero alcohol वाला, but beer का bottle whatever here, which he then removed and you know because he's
और उसको सब लोग कॉपी बोला गया
नहीं
कॉपी
नहीं he did that because he's a practicing Muslim and that's why he did not want that in front of him. But after Pogba did that, UEFA stepped in and went like, okay, we can't be fucking around with sponsors. Alright, Coca-Cola के साथ हुआ, क्रिस्टियानो किया चलेगा.
हाँ
एक
उसका
बार-
वैल्यू उतना है मैं
देखो,
बोल सकता है क्रिस्टियानो को पसंद नहीं है तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग तुम्हारा
सब लोग क्रिस्टियानो नहीं है,
नहीं,
ठीक है, याद रखो
औकात
तुम
में
लोग,
रहने का।
औकात में रहने का. सब लोग नहीं, उसको करने दो अभी, उसका और बहुत कम लोग का है ऐसा, सब लोग नहीं कर सकता है, नहीं तो ये चलेगा नहीं ब्रो.
क्रिस्टियानो उतना लॉस ले सकता है
मतलब देख, वो बेसिकली बोला प्लेयर लोग को कि देख, अगर ये कोको कोला नहीं बेचेगा ना तो पानी खरीदने का पैसा नहीं आएगा. तो तेरे को भाग दौड़ करने के बाद प्यास लगेगा ना बेटा,
इसके लिए नहीं है
तभी तेरे को क्या चाहिए, पानी की कोक.
खुद का पसीना निचोड़ के पीना पड़ेगा राजा
That is what would happen, dude.
That's the
But-
same thing, dude. That's what sports people like even the Naomi Osaka thing. Like,
Yeah,
you know, of
the
course,
tennis
his mental health and all is a big deal and all.
Yeah.
But अगर तू CNN को bite नहीं देगा तो no one's talking about tennis then tomorrow, ना?
Yeah, but they are also not talking about tennis. That was her problem. That they are talking about everything else, and they are talking about, you know, comparisons to the Williams sisters, and then
okay,
you know,
okay. वो सब
heritage,
gossip
and then
and
what
all,
do you think you're representing, and all she wants to do is play. You know, that's what she is telling.
उतना
like,
मेरे को background नहीं है मैं ऐसे
हाँ,
बोला
नहीं, all she is telling is I want to play tennis and that is important, and this other shit fucks with me, with my preparation, with my headspace and whatnot, and it's not worth it because I want to be, dude, I'm playing
नंबर
like,
वन ऐसा ही नहीं बनता है
हाँ,
समझा ना
like there are really good players. ऐसा तुम लोग ऐसा out of shape हरामी लोग नहीं आते
हाँ,
खेलने
ये
को.
बिग बॉस नहीं है प्लीज
एक्चुअल एथलेटिसिज्म लगने वाला है, तुम मेरे को फोकस करने दो, ठीक है, ये सब बकवास सवाल मत पूछो मेरे को. दैट वाज बेसिकली
was her
her
thing, okay.
yeah, which is fair enough, dude, and at some point of time it was bound to happen. There's always like a pendulum swinging one side or the other or whatever. So that's fine, dude, but I think we'll wrap it up on that. Let's wrap it up on Ronaldo. Okay, we'll also go drink some Mountain Dew, Coca-Cola, whatever. See, listen to us sponsors.
yes
We will show bottle, dude.
because this में पानी नहीं पी
अरे dude, मैं तो ऐसा bottle इधर
those caps
we'll even have a Coca-Cola break. We are taking a break. We are drinking Coca-Cola. Ting.
welcome to Coke break welcome to Coke table welcome to Coke line
Everything is. We'll just paint this room red.
Coke
Oh God, we'll feel like we are living in a bottle, dude. Don't. वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, but still, you know, that brings us to the end of episode 2. Just a small disclaimer as far as episode 1 was concerned. I remember we had mentioned that this is probably our first public work out there, which is not really true. As we had mentioned before, we are writers as well. We have a show out there, a small web series that you can check out on MX Player. Yes, I know what I'm saying, MX Player. Yes, I know it can be difficult to deal with. But if you want to check out our show, please watch Pandu on MX Player. And if you like it, do let us know, you know, in the comment section of this video. And if you don't, apologies for telling you that. Okay. So let's see. As far as, should I go ahead and say it in the camera? Yes. Anyway, yeah. All right. Perfect. And apart from the Panduka thing, what else? Oh yes. We will be.
you have a video out
Oh yeah,
Some
that's
stand-up,
that's a video that we did not mention in the first episode because it's been like 2-3 years, dude.
Huh.
2018,
Cool.
and it seems like a distant memory now because of the pandemic. Dude. It feels like so long ago.
It's done.
It's done. Like, but it's there out there. So if it's in Marathi though, so if you would like to check it out, do give that a watch. Also, Pandu is in Marathi, but it has subtitles.
Yeah.
So,
Written by us. So
yeah,
works.
yeah. So works
हाँ, so
exactly.
works.
This is what we are doing. We're trying to
तुम्हारे लिए
create.
सॉर्ट किया हम लोग.
Yeah, we're trying to create our own Google ecosystem of entertainment, podcast, stand up, and this. Let's do everything, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we are doing. So yes, that brings us to the end of Radical Measures episode 2. And do follow us on Instagram. Me at gaurav.v.pawar. Him at
Cordero Noel.
Yep. And do follow us on Instagram when it comes to the Radical Measures page as well. If you've liked the episode, if you've liked the clips, if you've checked out the clips on Instagram, you know, Reels and IGTV clips that we have put up, if you've liked them, then do share that also. And subscribe, fuckers, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, comment, and watch ads.
Yeah, and watch ads. Because apparently we are going to get a lot of money out of that. We are rich, bitch!
I'm rich, bitch.
Shout out to Dave Chappelle.
Chappelle, dude, yeah.
All right, guys, that's a
Episode 2 is
wrap.
a wrap, guys. Chalo, we're done.